Every answer in healthcare is one search away. Guidelines, techniques, protocols. So why does a qualification still matter? Because knowing isn't the same as being recognized for it. You've been doing the hardest work in the room, and the system still asks, what's your credibility? The Level 3 Diploma in Health and Social Care from IOMH. It isn't about teaching you how to care. You already know that. It's about accountability, being the person others trust to lead. Safeguarding, ethics, communication, risk management. Everything the healthcare sector expects of its best. CPD accredited and QLS endorsed, recognized by NHS employers, trusted by over 3,000 learners, rated 4.7 out of 5 in Trustpilot. Best part? You'll get 2 free courses to ensure your learning is meaningful. You've already been doing the work. Now let the world know.